You got it, bro. It feels like you got an athlete chasing after you, bro. That killer has infinite stamina.
Ambot sa ibo.
You, bro.
Hindi naman.
I hate you, bro. They're fighting against the killer with infinite stamina, bro. I don't know what they're trying to do. What? Uh,
Why he fast? Why he fast? He fast. No, oh my god, I'm gonna